Good afternoon, classmates and professor. My name is Edson Gutierrez. I am a student of psychology, UNAD University, Universidad Nacional y a Distancia. Today, I'm going to talk about my ideal job. My ideal job is to be a pilot. I would like to be a pilot in the future because this is one of my passions. I would like to work for Air France company because for me this is one important company in the world. I would like to have a very good salary, especially in euros, because euros is the most important currency in the world. I think especially if I earned 10,000 euros or 5,000 euros in Colombian pesos is about 10 million or 15 million per month. Also, I would like to have a job with opportunities of traveling around the world because I like traveling very much. I would like to have a job with opportunities of promotion so I can be a pilot and then I can work in a higher position. Also, I would like to have a job with holidays pay. It means that I would like to go holidays and get paid for them. I would like to have a job with sick pay. When I get sick and I stay in, I would like to get paid for it, even if I cannot go out or go to work. I would like to have a job with flexible working hours, that not everything is about work, also to enjoy with my friends, family, and I can decide what time I can go to travel and to work. Thank you very much.